What is up, guys? So we're gonna be reviewing the trades that I actually analyzed, but let's quickly go over to trading view. Let's quickly analyze gold. Let's quickly remove these things over here. So as you guys can see, gold has been in this uptrend, this being the lowest low, and then we have our highest high over here. We can actually see that gold had broken this structure over here, and then it came back again, broke another structure over here. You can see. So as you guys can see, gold has broken the structure over here, so as bound, it broke out, it retested, and it went up. Also, we can also see on this higher time frame that it has broken this level. Had also broken this level over here, broke this level, break of structure, came back again, but it did not form another higher low, so it continued going down, as you guys can see. So now we have this area of demand over here. We have this area of demand. We can actually see that price, this is a very, very strong level that price kept respecting, as you guys can see from this previous lower high. So what price can do over here is actually go back here. Price can go back here. Let me do this. Price can go back here, and then will come back, and then actually and then it'll come back. But let's actually do this and go to the lower time frame. Let's go to the lower time frame. As you guys can see on the lower time frame, the reason gold sold was that we had this area of supply over here. There was an area of supply, price, there was this imbalance over here. Price came back, filled the imbalance, and then came back again. As you guys can see, if you go to the 30-minute time frame, as you guys see, we have another area of supply over here, or a lower high, as you guys may call it. So as you guys can see, there was this somewhat structure over here, was broken. Let me do this. This structure was broken over here, but price did not come back here to retest this level before actually going down. Hence I'm saying, before price can actually break this level, we'll see it can go up here to fill this imbalance over here, and then actually go down. That's what price can do. Can come over here to fill this imbalance over here before to actually confirm more shells. But as you guys can see, it was forming weak rejections like this over here. It went down, slightly retested, going, slightly retested, down, slightly retested. So that showed that the sellers had much power. There was much selling pressure, as you guys can see. So right now, gold can buy before actually going down. But let's go back to the higher time frame. Do this. You can see the structure over here, guys. You can see the structure over here. You can see impulse. It made an impulsive move. It's correcting now. Now the question is, will it make another impulsive move and actually come back to break this level? Because as you guys know, or as you guys have seen, gold has reached an all-time high, being this high over here. Now what gold can do, it impulsed, it corrected. So now the question is, will it impulse again? But I think that, as you guys can see here, I think gold will actually buy for some time, and then we'll have other confluences to actually confirm whether or not it's gonna buy long term or whether or not it's simply starting to go down. But as you guys can see, we're in this uptrend over here. Another break of structure over here, as you guys can see. So yeah, very good structure from gold, guys. Now what you have to do is actually wait and see. What you guys can do is wait. Okay, now let's go to US30. Yeah, as you guys can see, we have US30 over here. Let's go to the 4 hour. Let's remove everything, guys. You can see that it's also price has also broken structure. Let me zoom in. We have this highest high over here and have our lowest low being this low over here. So what I would normally do is draw some sort of a channel to indicate that price has broken this channel. You can actually see weak rejections. The price was getting weak. As you guys can see here, the price came back to this level, it went up, started showing signs of weaknesses, and did not come back to this level. So that was indicating that the buyers were in complete control, because as you can see with this level over here, these key levels, we actually have a lot of key levels. Yeah, so actually price was actually bound to go up. Let me remove this. Yeah, so you can actually see the structure over here when impulse correction, impulse. So this is a very, very confusing structure, guys, but everything has its own way, guys. Similar to gold, you can see that it's also showing selling pressure. As you guys can see, we have this imbalance over here. Okay, let's go to the 1 hour. We have this imbalance over here. So we can see that we're having lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. So now we have this area over here. Now price can either break this level and come up here, or price can continue to respect in this level and actually come down here before it starts buying, and we would have this some sort of a, this is actually a trade I take. We have this and then we would let it run. Because once we break this level, we know that our setup is completely invalidated. So we know that our setup is completely invalidated, so it's correct to put your stop loss above this level. Okay, let's go to the lower time frames and actually see. Yes, guys, we're having this consolidation and we're having weak rejections, which clearly indicates that we might be selling up to this level over here. So guys, this is a good entry, guys. This is a good entry, guys, up until here, guys. Okay, let's move on to NAS 100 or US 100. We also have this structure over here. Go to the 4 hour. Go to the 4 hour. We have this low, we have this low, we have this low, we have this high over here. So we're in some sort of a range. We have this impulse, we have this correction now. So now what price can do is break this level or actually start going up. But let's actually see what's gonna happen, guys. Let's go to the 1 hour. As you guys can see, price failed to break this, failed to take out this low and actually form another lower low, but instead it actually failed to break this low. It instead respected this level and went up here. So what price can do is either continue respecting this level and go down. That's what price can do. Or this is what price can do. Since some people may know this pattern as a double bottom or something, so what price can do, we already see that price failed to take out this low. What price can do is price can go up here, can come down here a little bit and go up here and actually come down again for another entry, and then goes up, and then we have this some sort of a demand over here before we actually start buying. This is where we take our trade. This is where we would take our trade and actually aim for this high over here, putting our stop loss over here. Yeah, that's what would happen, guys. But this is just like, I'm not saying that's what's gonna happen. I'm just saying that's what might happen, guys. So let's quickly look at Euro USD. So as you guys can see, let me go to the 4 hour, the daily. I had already analyzed this pair. Let's go to the daily 4 hour. You can see that it was in this channel, right? Got in a buy over here. So price reached this level over here, this key level over here, as you guys can see, and started selling. Okay, guys. Okay, let's move on to GBP USD. GU. Okay, guys. We have GU over here. We have this high similar to US30. We have these high and this low, guys. So we are in this impulsive move over here. We can actually see that price has broken the structure over here, and price is actually starting to turn bullish, as you guys can see. But we still have this level over here. Let me go to the 1 hour. We still have this level over here, which price can continue respecting or actually break. So as you guys can see now, we had this impulsive move over here and we're starting to slowly correct. So I think that this will continue selling to take out this low, this major low, guys, over here. Because as you guys can see, let's go to the 4 hour once again. You can see, let's do this, guys. You can see that price, let's do this, has not yet reached this higher high, this highest high over here. It has broken this level over here, but failed to, after breaking this level, it failed to retest back here and go up. So we can actually see that it has come back into this range. So what can happen is that price might respect this level over here or continue selling. That's what you have to wait for other confirmations. But as you guys can see, we have this candlestick over here. It made a wick but we'll have to wait for more confirmations. But I actually think that price will actually let me go to the 1 hour. Actually think that price, since price has broken the structure over here, I think that price will continue selling down. Okay guys, okay, let's go on to Euro Aussie or Euro AUD. Okay guys, let's go to EuroCAD. This is the structure. Let's go to EuroCAD over here. So I actually think that EuroCAD will continue buying, because as you guys can see with this structure, we had this break of structure over here. There was a break of structure over here. Price came back to this level to mitigate this level. Now price is going back up again. So what price will do is that it will either respect this level over here, or it will continue pushing up and actually do the same thing as we see over here, guys. You can actually see that the price has been making very small impulsive moves, very small, not very small corrections, because we had an impulse move, corrected impulse. So as you guys can see, it's very small moves, guys. Went up again. Now we're yet to break this level over here, guys. So people who actually entered here are very at an advantage right now. Let's go to let's look at gold one more time. As you guys can see right now, gold is pushing. It looks like it's pushing. I think that it'll respect this level and go up and start buying, guys. Let's go to US 30 again. As you guys can see, I actually think that US 32 will actually sell up to this level, guys. That's what I'm thinking, guys. But hey, you all know that trading is a probability game, guys. It might happen, might not happen, but I actually think that it's gonna sell up to this level over here, guys. That's what I'm thinking, guys, because we have seen signs of, because right now here we have this break of structure over here. Yeah, this break of structure. Price failed to come back here to mitigate this level, showing that the buyers are weak in this market. So I actually think that this is gonna sell, guys. And other confluences that I have, which I will not say, but here, guys, let's go to the 15-minute and actually see once again. Okay, let's go back to the 1 hour. Okay guys, we're back with the US 30, and as you guys can see, it has hit that take profit like we said it would. It has hit it. Now let's look at gold. So as you guys can see on gold is still playing around. No signs of any buys right now, but we still hope that it will buy for some short time before going down. Now let's look at GBP/USD. As you guys can see, it's also still playing around, but we will wait for more confirmations. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Peace.